Hello guys, today we are going to check if AMD A8 processor supports Windows 11 updates or not. This is one of my old laptop, HP laptop, which has AMD A8 processor. Let's check the specifications. Go to here, this PC, and right click properties. If you go to the properties, we can see um, what processor it has. See, it has a AMD 8 processor, 6410 APU, and it has a AMD Reno R5 graphics, uh, 2.00 gigahertz, 8 GB RAM. Okay, it comes with the Windows 10 Home, single language, and it's the latest update. Yeah, so let's check this. I'm going to Microsoft website, Windows 11 website. At the bottom of this website, we can see this thing. Check for the compatibility. I will download this and install. If I click like this, it will download, and yeah, now I can install it. It's taking long time because CPU is taking high. I can see in the background it is started. All the CPU is taking for this, and 100% disk usage. Okay, preparing for installation. Yep. The PC health check is downloaded and installed on my PC and on this my laptop. So here we can see the latest check when the Windows updates are latest check battery. What's the battery capacity, storage capacity, boot time, the startup time here, and tips for health check, PC health, and more about the Windows 11. And here we can see it has a 8 GB RAM. My laptop, this AMD HP AMD 8 laptop has 8 GB RAM, 500 GB HDD hard disk, and it's a 3 years old. So I'm going to check the Windows 11 capability, uh, if it supports Windows 11 or not. So click on this check now button. It does some diagnosis and it says this processor isn't currently supported for the Windows 11. So we cannot install Windows 11. It means this Windows 11 operating system doesn't support this AMD 8 processor. We can see my processor name here, and also it asking for enable this or TMP 2.0. How to enable and everything is shown in this link. The provided link here. So enable TMC 2.0 on your laptop. So here it says how to check, how to install, how to check. Option 2, option 1. So I'm going with the option 2 just for how to check Windows or select start run. I will right click on the start, and even you can click on Windows button here, and you can type RUN here. It gives the run app, or you can simply right click on the start menu and you will get these all options, and you can click on run, and then you have to paste this command, tpm msc. So if it is supported, it will give font like compatibility TPM font. If it is not supported, it will says like it is not cannot font, cannot be found, like this message. So I got this pop-up. It says cannot be found. TPM is cannot be found. So how to enable and all? They have given some steps. If it for process support that, it will enable that. If not, it won't enable. So we have to go through all these steps to check how it supports. But the main thing here is our process itself won't support this update. So we cannot go with the Windows 11 update. So we can enjoy the Windows 10 features here, but we cannot go for Windows 11. Even we can install maybe downloading the ISO, but we can see like it won't support properly. We cannot see like there will be many issues like lagging, high CPU utilizations, RAM utilization, and also display not a good picture quality and everything. Not sure, but yeah, they says it won't support. So they are not recommending. Microsoft is not recommending this software on our AMD 8 processor. Then it won't support. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.